get asked all the time about the hoods that we wear while we're demoing product and why we like to use the Optrels. Really, for me, it's just a matter of passing it to whoever I'm demoing for and saying, try it out. You put that on and you just adjust the back and it fits very easily. It's really plug and play. You take it out of the box, you set it to auto, and you're in business. The lens automatically adjusts to the arc that's being produced. So if you're burning at 300 amps, it's going to darken more. If you're down at 125 amps, it darkens less. So it automatically knows once that arc is happening where to adjust to. It doesn't adjust to your eyes, it adjusts magically against what the arc is putting out. So it's very smart, it understands, and there's no delay, there's no waiting for when you strike that it darkens. A lot of times when I start welding with this helmet, it doesn't even seem like it changes. There's not a big flash and then it lightens or anything like that. It's just a transition. And as you're welding, you're thinking, did this thing even darken? Well, guess what? It did. The nice thing with this helmet is like I said, there's the automatic mode and there's a manual. You can really fine tune it to make it a little bit darker than it would normally adjust to, or a little bit lighter. Everyone's got some preferences, so you can fine tune it, which is very nice. When you put it on auto, it really does. It just it works. You put it on and away you go. There's very little that you have to do. This particular model, this 2.0 has a grind mode. So what happens, as you know, the brightness from grinding to welding is a lot different. So if I'm going back and forth grinding, welding, mask up and down, you don't need to do that. There's a setting on the side that while my mask is still down, I can press this button in and it goes into grind mode, so I can just start grinding. It doesn't go all the way down to a 9. It goes to what that grind or what you're grinding on, so you can see it, and it just looks like you're looking at it through sunglasses. When you look through this hood, it really does look like you're just looking through a window and you're in HD. It's amazing. There's two different colors. I like the silver just because I think it looks cool. There is a black version also. The silver does reflect the heat a lot more. They say 23% less heat will be felt through this hood. I haven't been in a situation where I've been able to verify that. I like the curved lens for a simple fact. Laying on your back, doing some overhead, those sparks. When this is flat, we know exactly where those sparks are going to land, where they're going to sit, what they're going to burn through. That's not a fun situation. And a fun fact is generally other helmets that if you burn through your mask and hurt some of the electronics, it's not covered in warranty. This mask, it comes off very easily. There's 2 little tabs on the side. Pull it off, put a new one on. They're not very expensive, but you're protected. It's got the nice curve on it. If you're in a situation where you have different welding bays beside you, or there's chances of strikes beside you, then you can change your view. So depending on if someone's really close and they're striking an arc, yours might automatically go off. So you can change that. You can reduce that so it's no problem, and you're not going to be getting flashed from anybody else. And if they have Optrels, they can do the same thing and narrow that window to make sure that you're only darkening with your own arc. The insides, it all comes out very easily. There's a few little tabs and everything comes out, the batteries, the lenses. It's really plug and play. You just take it out if you need to, or you need to wash it or anything like that. It's simple. The headgear for me, it's very comfortable. It's rigid. It feels good when you tighten it. It doesn't slide, anything like that. I can wear it for a couple hours and you really don't even know it's there. It's like wearing a ball cap. You don't notice it after a while. There is an ISO fit that you can put on here. You exchange this headgear for this ISO fit. It's pretty wild. It feels like you're going to NASA and you got a space helmet on, but I don't need that. And I just preferred this one. It was just a little bit more rugged. One feature that's nice, again, I do wear glasses. There's a knob here that pushes the mask off of my face. So if you got a big snout even, or wear glasses, you can move it up just a teensy bit, and it helps. So you're not rubbing or anything like that. You're not getting close. You're not breathing heavy. You can adjust it to really fit your head, and make it your own and customize it. And I guarantee you will not regret this. When you wear this, you're not going to in a week say, you know what, I don't really like it. Yeah, maybe you don't like the price for sure. Buy once, cry once, get yourself an Optrel.